In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PIN on Wise. If you use Wise regularly, keeping your account secure is essential, and updating your passcode, sometimes called your PIN, is a quick way to do that. Before we begin, make sure you have your mobile phone ready with the Wise app installed and that you're already signed in. If your app looks a little different, it may help to update to the latest version first. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile. Give it a second to load fully so all menu items appear. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap the profile icon. This is where your account settings live, and it's the starting point for all security changes. Inside your profile, find and tap Security and Privacy. This section controls login protections and how your app locks, so it's the right place to update your passcode. Next, tap App Security. Here you'll see options related to how the app is secured on your device, including passcode settings and, if available, biometric options like Face ID or fingerprint. Now tap Change Passcode. The app will first ask for your current passcode. Enter your existing passcode carefully. This step verifies that it's really you making the change. If you can't remember it, you won't be able to proceed from here for security reasons, and you'll need to follow Wise's account recovery process separately. After your current passcode is accepted, you'll be prompted to set a new passcode. Choose something memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple sequences and anything tied to personal information. Follow any on-screen requirements for length or format, and type the new passcode slowly to avoid mistakes. When prompted, tap Confirm Passcode and re-enter the same passcode to make sure both entries match. Once you confirm, the change is applied immediately. You may see a brief confirmation or be returned to the app security screen where your settings are now up to date. From this point on, your new passcode will be required when the app locks, and if you use biometrics, the app may still occasionally ask for your passcode as a backup. That's it. You opened the Wise app, went to your profile, selected Security and Privacy, opened App Security, chose Change Passcode, entered your current passcode, set a new one, and confirmed it. Keeping your passcode unique and private is one of the simplest ways to protect your money and personal details. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new passcode securely so you don't lose access later.